I came across this library called PyTTSx3. Can you tell me what it is?
Sure, PyTTSx3 is a text-to-speech conversion library in Python. Unlike other libraries that provide similar services, PyTTSx3 works offline, and it's cross-platform, which means it works on Windows, macOS, and Linux.
How does it work?
It uses the native text-to-speech synthesizers of the operating system. So, on Windows, it uses the SAP E5 voices, while on Mac OS X it uses the NSSS, and on Linux, it communicates with the speak via the speaking or speak binaries.
Interesting. How do you install it?
You can install it using pip, which is Python's package installer. You would run the command pip install PyTTSx3 in your command prompt or terminal.
Can you show me a simple example of how to use it?
Of course. Here's a basic example.
What does the run and wait method do?
It processes the voice commands added to the queue. The same method adds a command to speak the text to the queue, and run and wait tells the engine to process the queued commands. The engine will speak the text aloud before the method returns.
Got it. Can you change the voice or the speed of the speech?
Yes, you can change properties like voice rate, volume, and even the voice itself. Here's how you can change the rate of speech.
And what about changing the voice?
You can list the available voices and set one of them. Here's how.
Can you save the speech to a file instead of speaking it out loud?
Yes, you can save it to a file in a format like WAV. Here's how you do that.
This library seems quite powerful. Are there any limitations I should be aware of?
While PyTTSx3 is versatile, its performance and the quality of the speech depend on the synthesizers available on the operating system. Some users might find the quality of the default voices to be less natural than online services like Google Text-to-Speech.
Is it possible to handle events or callbacks?
Yes, PyTTSx3 supports event callbacks. You can define a function that gets called at the start of word speaking, for example. This allows you to synchronize the speech with other actions.
Awesome! This will be quite useful for my next project. Thanks for the introduction.
You're welcome. Enjoy experimenting with PyTTSx3.